Hi.
We would like to slide.
Sure. What would you like?
I'll take the orange floaty. I'll take the blue.
Sure. Go ahead. One by one.
Okay. Heidi, I'm going first, okay? Okay, Zidane.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Sit. Put your hands in the air.
Woohoo!
It's gonna be a fun ride. 1, 2, 3, go!
That was so much fun! Heidi, that was so much fun!
Ready?
Come on, Heidi!
Let's go. You ready?
Yes!
Put your hands up in the air. Here we go. Bye-bye.
Let's go together, Heidi. Okay. Can we use this floaty?
Sure.
Yes. All right. Fries, French fries. Here we go.
Get ready. Put your hands up in the air.
That was so much fun. I know. And there's the ice cream.
Okay, sure. There you go.
Thank you. All right, here we go.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah! This stuff is so fun! I know!
Are you guys having fun?
Yes, we are! Do you want to have a race? Sure.
You guys want to race? Okay, on the count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! The victorious! Yeah! No! That was fun!
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Good job, Zidane. Good job, Heidi. Good game. Oh yeah! Let's go! Another victory. Thank you for letting us slide. Yeah. But we have to go home now. Bye. Bye.
You're welcome, kids. Bye. Be safe now.
Woohoo! That was so much fun. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Woo! Late for school. Yeah, come on. Come on, Magic Bus, come on. Look, Heidi, there's a big hill. Put your hands up. Woo! Oh yeah. Woohoo! Thank you, Magic Bus. It's time to stop. All right, Heidi, let's go to our school. Come on, get out. All right, Heidi, come on. We have to get out to go to our school. Let's call out our bus. Oh, thank you, Magic Bus. Come on, Heidi, let's go. Come on, Heidi, let's go. Oh, Heidi, look, vending machine. You want to get some chips before we go to class? Yeah, sure, Zidane. Let's do it. Okay. All right, let me just get my coins out. Wow, we can get a lot of chips. Heidi, what do you want? First, I would like Cheetos. Cheetos? Nice choice. Let me just put my silver coin in. All right, Cheetos it is. We want Cheetos, we want Cheetos. Oh, Heidi, look, your Cheetos. Hey! What? It's empty? There's nothing inside. What? Wait, let me try. So let's try the Lay's. Come on. There it is. What? It's empty too. Only crumbs. Why are they empty? This is really strange, Heidi. So then let's try the Doritos. All right. Let's put the gold coin. There we go. Hey, let's see. Doritos. There it is. It's also empty. Hey! Heidi, there's someone inside. I just saw. Hey! Hey! Come back! Come back! Come back! Oh no, Heidi! Where did he go? I don't know, Dad. Maybe we should just go. Yeah, we're not gonna catch him. He's too fast. Let's go.
Woo! That was close! Let me get out of here before they see me.
Ah! Why did you steal our chips?
Oh, I didn't. I just ate it. I was hungry.
Well, you stole it.
Oh.
Give us our money back right now.
No. You know what? Wait, I have something better than the money.
What?
You want
What?
to see?
Sure.
Okay, wait. Here you go. Look what I have.
Wow.
Chocolate foam.
Wow.
Here. I have one for you as well.
Chocolate foam. Chocolate.
You like it?
Yeah. All right. What? But it kind of looks old though. I'm dialing 911.
No. Here. I'll give you your money back. Just let me go, please.
Okay.
I will not do it again.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. You have more?
No, that's it.
All right. Okay. You're free to go, but don't
Okay.
steal again. Stealing
No.
is bad.
I will never steal again.
Okay,
Stealing
bye.
is bad. Stealing is not good.
Yep. Bye. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye. And never steal because stealing is bad and you could go to jail for it. Yep. Bye.